And it's the law. We're talking about the Texas teen who was arrested in class for what teachers believed to be a bomb. Turns out that was a clock. But do the police have the right to question minors? Our legal expert, Jay Davis, is back. Jay, how are you, sir?
I'm good, Skylar. How's it going?
Jay, so what's the law in an instance like this? Do police have that right? Do kids not need to have a guardian? Or
what the police can do is probably going to vary somewhat from state to state. Most people believe that a minor needs to have a parent present. However, the police are allowed to interrogate someone so long as they're able to understand their rights. So they have to read their Miranda rights. Had some in a trial a couple of weeks ago where there's video of them showing 15-year-olds in that case what their rights were, having them assign and initial those rights. So the test usually is whether or not they're able to understand and comprehend what their rights are.
And can a kid say, hey, I would rather have my parent here or a lawyer here in that case?
Anybody can always ask for an attorney, child or not. You get a little uncomfortable, say I want an attorney. You're not always guaranteed the right to a parent, but you will have the right to the attorney.
All right, and we talked about the backstory in this before this segment. Were the teacher's actions justifiable?
I think that the teacher's actions are absolutely right. If the teacher questions whether or not there's a bomb, if they have some reason to believe that something, or they just don't understand, they don't know what something is, they should protect all of the students by questioning a device that in their mind may be a bomb. Where I have a problem, and it's a general problem with my perception on things generally, is that police overstep what they're doing. Here I believe they made an arrest before they actually found out what was going on. That's what I think is going on in our society in general. And I think here, the fact that this was a boy named Muhammad brings a lot of attention to something that otherwise would have just been somebody...
Some sort of discrimination.
So, right. Somebody's looking at it. Did they think it was a bomb because his name was Muhammad, or were they scared to question if it was a bomb because his name was Muhammad? So, you know, some people are offended that they would question somebody named Muhammad about a bomb, and other people are offended the other way. So that's the divisive nature that we've got going on in our society now.
All right, Jay, thanks so much. And as always, we'd like to hear from you. If you have any legal questions, you can email us at itsthelaw@41NBC.com. We'll do our best to answer it each Wednesday during our It's the Law segment right here on the news at 6. When we